guys, it's me again, Gaming. So I'm reacting to my friend, which actually, bro. Alright, he's done a voice reveal, so I guess we'll react to it. I guess so. He's my classmate, so I'm good to react to him. Let's go.
Got kick.
Okay, wait. I just realized his voice sound a little weird. Okay, so if you want to check the video out, when you go to my channel, you can see my YT friends. Click on that channel to react to it. But you know, bro, seriously, in my class, right? He sounds a bit the same like that, but in here he's weird with weird voice. So that's it, guys. Bye. If you want me to react like more videos, so comment down below. So bye.